So, you're looking at Auto UFOs and wondering, what's it all about? Let's dive in. For any trader, this is the big question, right? Where do you get in and where do you get out? Well, it turns out the market actually leaves clues. They're called, you guessed it, UFOs. Now, UFO just stands for Unfilled Orders. Think of them as leftover buy or sell orders. See, when the big institutions make a move, they don't always get their entire order filled at once. And those leftover orders, they create these potential price zones for future trades. And that is exactly what Auto UFOs is designed to do. It finds these zones for you. The whole point is to automatically plot these unfilled order zones right on your chart. And check this out. It uses a really simple color code to help you spot them. It's super straightforward. Green suggests potential buy orders, and red suggests potential sells. So you'll see these zones pop up on your chart as UFO bands and flying saucers. What this does is give you a much clearer, more mechanical way to plan your trades. This helps you save time, define your entries and exits, and really manage your risk. The goal here is pretty simple, to trade alongside the big market players, not against them. So you have to ask yourself, could this kind of insight give you a real edge?
If our videos help you stay sharp episode after episode, hit pause, like, subscribe, and keep learning. Your support means a lot to us.